Even before humans began to develop agriculture to feed themselves, bees were busy helping flowering plants to pollinate, allowing them to procreate and grow a new generation of plants. Many people don't realize it, but bees play a major role in ecosystem health, providing stability for flowering plant populations and contributing to diversity and genetic variation of floral plants. When plants reproduce from shoots emitted from roots, the young plant is identical to the parent plant, making it vulnerable to disease and climatic change. However, through cross-pollination, plants can produce genetically diverse populations that are more resistant to an ever-changing environment.
The production of seeds, nuts, berries, and fruits in many ecosystems rely mainly on insect pollination. In fact, it is estimated that more than 80% of flowering plants rely on insects for pollination. Because of their hairy bodies and foraging habits, bees make up a large portion of this insect population that is responsible for a majority of pollination in most ecosystems. A single bee can visit 50 to 1,000 flowers in a period of 30 minutes to 4 hours. Therefore, a colony with 25,000 foraging bees that make 10 trips a day will pollinate 250 million flowers a day, allowing for those flowers' reproduction and the continued growth of a diverse floral population.
Since humans have developed agriculture, we have found a way to use the bees' natural pollinating tendencies to form a kind of mutualistic relationship, a relationship that provides flowering plants for the bees to pollinate and get food from, and allows us to benefit from this pollination as well. It is said that more than 1/3 of all human nutrients are derived from pollination by bee, wild or in human-kept hives.
However, recently, large colonies of bees maintained by farmers to pollinate their crops have been disappearing. This phenomenon, evident in places across the globe, is referred to as a colony collapse disorder, and its cause still remains a mystery. However, the possible reasons that scientists have come up with all attribute the cause of colony loss to human-induced factors such as the spread of pesticides, genetically modified plants, and rapid climate change. Because we are changing our environment and our ecosystems by attempting to grow food more efficiently and quickly, we are losing the very population we rely on to ensure that this food continues to grow and reproduce. By damaging bee populations and decreasing their numbers, we damage the biodiversity of all flowering plants. These flowering plants represent a main food source to humans as well as to our animals. And without this pollination, the biodiversity of the planet as a whole will suffer.